all the penal institutions, mga bureaus, NBI, kanya yan, under the Department of Justice. So ito, re-arrest for all, and the military and the police to, in maybe 3 days, I will decide if I put up the, sabi ni Dominguez, magnakaw pa rin siya ng pera. Wala siya, mahirap naman 1 billion hanapin niyo. I'll place 1 billion per head. 1 million rather per head. Dead or alive. Kung mamatay ka, medyo makamura tayo kasi hindi tayo papakainin. Magdagdag pa ng rice crisis yan palang araw. Any question? One at a time.
Chona, tapos
Yung,
Rose.
who's the...
Chona.